Hey guys, it's Dymond, and today I am here to do a natural hair tutorial. So I don't really make that many of these on my channel, but doing something different. This past year has been like the most that I've ever wore my natural hair in its natural state. Before this year, I really wasn't one to wear my natural hair, but if I wore my natural hair, I would like flat iron it or press it or get some kind of treatment done to it. I am trying to work on wearing my natural hair. So if you guys follow me on Instagram at GANGGG with 3 O's, then you guys would see I've been wearing my hair in like an afro type of look basically. Most of the time when I wear my afros, I put in clip-ins just for like fullness. A lot of the time they end up being the same length as my hair, but just get like a full afro kind of look. So I got these clip-ins from Wigencounters. So this is only my second set of curly clip-ins that I've ever tried. It is virgin hair. They are 20 inches, but they're curly, so it's not gonna look like 20 inches, of course. And I got the 4B 4C texture. So my hair is like between a 4B and 4C. It looks a little soft right now because I have my hair in a twist out, and I've had these twists in for 2 days. So between like the oil and moisturizers and stuff that I put in my hair is looking a little soft, but freshly washed, that thing is a 4B 4C. Some is a little bit more curlier than others, and some parts are more kinky. So it comes with 10 pieces, 2 10-inch wefts, 2 9-inch wefts, 2 7-inch wefts, 2 4-inch wefts, and 2 3-inch wefts. Otherwise, inside of the box, it comes with this thread, and this is actually pretty handy just in case you lose any of your clips, and it comes with 2 extra clips. This is what the hair comes in, and then once you take it out of the plastic bag, it looks like this. So for me, this is like what my hair would look like. I do not have to do a twist out for my hair to be this kind of texture. All I have to do is wash it. However, just leaving my hair out, it makes it way harder to maintain. So after I wash my hair, I always try to do something to it, whether that be braided or something, because just leaving it out and then once I go to sleep, it's going to like be flat in the back. Y'all know what I mean. But yeah, so I am going to use these today, and we're gonna give my afro some pizzazz. So I did my twist out on live. I've actually been going live on an app called Hago. I will leave the link down in the description box, and I go live on there very frequently, like every other day, multiple times a week. I stream on there a lot now, so I'll leave the link in the description box. This is what we're looking like. This is 2 days later. I was telling everybody I look like Hurricane Chris, but that's okay. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to, basically what I like to do is just keep my hands, keep like some kind of liquid on my hands while I go through and unravel these, just so that it doesn't come out frizzy. So I am going to do that really quickly, and then we're going to put the clip-ins in and we're gonna blend and style, okay? Okay, so this is what it looks like when I take my hair out. Yeah, I've been still working on a routine for my hair. I really don't have anything I do on a basis. I've been trying to wash it more frequently, but yeah, this is what the back looks like. Give y'all like a 360 view. Okay. Okay. I got this cranberry pineapple juice in here. This is my coldest water bottle. The link is in the description box if you're interested. It keeps your juice cold dummy long, but that's gone now. So, boom, we got some spray bottles. So, how I try to do my bangs is I do not want to cut my hair. As you can see, like my hair in the front is still long, but I like to have curly bangs because it just takes away the forehead, and to me, it makes my curly hair look the cutest. I've done middle part, I've done other stuff, but I really like when I have like the curly bangs. So, all I do is take like these first few pieces in the front, and I have trimmed them down a little bit, but I've just never actually like fully blown cut my hair in the front. Okay, so in order to make it, like when I do my 2-strand twist, I basically am like stretching my hair, but in order to get the bangs, I want to shrink it. So I am just getting it wet. This is just water in here. Oh shoot. And I'm basically just spraying it. And I'm gonna let it revert back to its natural state. And y'all know shrinkage. By the way too, when I do this, I don't really put any makeup on my forehead, so I don't put that much makeup on my forehead. I just outline the top of my eyebrows, and then I just, okay, so then basically what I do after that is I get a clip, just a regular clip, and I just kind of bunch this part up and just clip it up at the front like that. So it's going to dry, and then I'm going to let it down, and it's kind of going to stay like crimped. So that's basically how you do like the fake curly bangs. I would not want to cut my hair just for curly bangs. I don't wear regular bangs with my hair straight, so I don't want to cut it, and then when I wear my hair straight, it's like, so yeah, as you can see, my hair is like a little bit of a different texture than the clip-ins, but it's really only that way because I did a twist out. If I just washed my hair, it would actually blend in with this hair perfect. Like, this is the exact texture of my hair, but my hair is way harder to manage when I just wash it and just leave it. Like, it would have been way harder for me to like separate my hair and put the clip-ins in. So yeah, we're gonna do it this way, but honestly it still looks really good. I am going to give my bangs a second to dry and like kind of scrunch up, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys my finished look. But I really like these clip-ins a lot. It feels just like my hair, it looks just like my hair. Like, this is the Afro illusion that I love. I put in all the clip-ins today just for the sake of the video, but you don't have to wear all the clip-ins. Sometimes if I'm just going about my regular day, I'll wear like 4 clips, and since it's Afro or kinky or curly kind of texture, it gives you so much volume that you really don't need all of them. So yeah, you get 10 pieces. This is what your hair would look like if you put all 10 pieces in, child. You are going to look groovy, okay, period. So yeah, we're going to let the bangs finish, and then I'm going to give you guys the finished look. So this has been sitting here for a little bit. So as you can see, it's like, I am going to get the tail part of my comb and just kind of pick this out a little bit, and then I'm just gonna kind of like tease it up. Cool. So I usually just play with them a little bit until I can get them to look exactly how I want, but that is basically how I do like the faux curly bang look, because I don't want to cut my hair. So I didn't have to cut my hair at all. All I did was basically like scrunch it and tease it up. And yeah, this is how the full thing looks. When I wear my natural hair, I have been trying to wear my hair in its natural state as opposed to putting heat. When I wear my hair like this, it really helps. I don't have to damage my hair at all, and I really think it looks really cute. You'll be surprised how many people really love this look. Like, the easiest look, forget about all the wigs, forget about everything. This is the look that people like the most. This is only the second set of clip-ins that I've been able to find that actually match my hair texture. These are really manageable. It's soft. I mean, it feels like my hair. That's really what it feels like. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information for Wigencounters in the description box if you guys want to get some clip-ins that match your hair texture. They don't just have 4B, 4C. They have a whole variety of clip-ins that will match your texture. So even if your hair isn't as kinky as mine, if you have actual curls, coils, whatever your hair texture is, they have something that's going to match it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you guys are here for the natural hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out Wigencounters. And yeah, stream my song WTFGO. It will be linked in the description box as well. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.